Everyone, myself Pooja Avasthi. We are studying here chapter number 1, history of class 12, that is bricks, beads and bones. In the first part of video, we talked about the discovery of Harappan civilization. So now let's begin with the new topic, that is subsistence strategies. क्या मतलब है इस वर्ड का? Subsistence strategies का मतलब है the means by which a society satisfied its basic needs for survival, or you can say the manner in which a group produce its food. तो कैसे फूड प्रोड्यूस करते थे या कैसे वो मीन्स अपनी बेसिक नीड्स को कैसे उन्होंने सर्वाइवल की जो बेसिक नीड्स हैं उनको कैसे सेटिस्फाई किया. तो यहाँ देखिए हड़प्पन्स ने क्या किया अपने खाने पीने के लिए. It included hunting and gathering, cultivation, pastoralism, and people relied on many plants and animals, fishing and agriculture for their food. There are evidence of bones of animals which prove that people consumed meat. Terracotta models of oxen, plow, etc. show that people relied on agriculture too. So we have got evidences of bones of animals from different sites of Harappan. On the basis of that, we can say that people ate meat and also they know to eat plants and to do agriculture and to do pastoralism. The Harappans ate wide range of plants and animals products including fish. Fish was also included in the food of Harappans. Archaeologists found grains such as wheat, barley, lentil, chickpea and sesame at the Harappan site. So these are the different type of grains जो कि हमें कहाँ से मिले हैं, found from the different sites of Harappans. In Gujarat, millets have been found. Rice was found rarely. जो millet है, it is found from Gujarat and we found rice very rare. Bones of cattle, fish, fowl, sheep, goat, buffalo, pig, deer and gharial are found at the sites. So evidences of different type of animals have been found from different sites. We can say that Harappans were familiar with all these animals. Studies indicate that these animals were either domesticated or hunted by the Harappans. अभी तक जितना भी स्टडीज़ हुई है वो यही इंडिकेट करती है कि आइदर दे वुड हैव डोमेस्टिकेटेड these animals or they would have hunted these animals. So next topic is agricultural technologies. Means if they were having food and if they were familiar with so many grains, तो grains को grow करने के लिए उनकी cultural practices क्या थी वो इसमें हम जानेंगे. Agriculture was the main occupation. It is very difficult to reconstruct actual agricultural practices. उनकी actual agricultural practices को reconstruct करना बहुत difficult है because we have talked earlier that the script that has been found from the Harappan sites, it is still undeciphered. उसको अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा गया है and we cannot say surely as what was actual agricultural practices or what was actual meaning of those signs found from the Harappan sites. Another thing is terracotta sculpture of the bull and their representation on the seals indicates that bull was known to them. We have got terracotta models जिसमें से कि bull का sign बना हुआ है. So we can say कि they were familiar with the bull. The archaeologists assume that oxen were used for plowing. As today also oxen are used for plowing. So we can assume कि उस time भी oxen को plow के लिए यूज़ किया जाता होगा. Archaeologists have also found terracotta models of the plough at sites in Cholistan and at Banavali, हरियाणा. हमें एक टेराकोटा मॉडल मिला है, मीन्स एक खिलौना टाइप का बोल सकते हैं, जो कि किसका है, प्लॉ का मॉडल है. और कहाँ से मिला है, इट इज़ फ्रॉम बनावली. Evidences of a plowed field found at Kalibangan. So we also have got evidence of a plowed field from Kalibangan. The field had two sets of furrows at a right angle to each other, suggesting that two different crops were grown together. So here we can say that they were well versed in agriculture, because they know how to grow two different crops at the same time. Most of the Harappan sites were located in semi-arid regions, like we have earlier studied. There are so many sites found from part of Rajasthan. So to enhance agricultural produce, they needed facilities of irrigation. The traces of canals have been found at Shortgui in Afghanistan. So first of all, जो हमें canals का traces मिले हैं, that are found from the place Shortgui, that is in Afghanistan. It is also likely that water was drawn from wells was used for irrigation. Means जो wells को कैसे use करते हैं, they also knew that. Water reservoirs found in Dholavira, Gujarat may have been used to store for agriculture. From Gujarat, जो धौलावीरा प्लेस है, वहाँ से हमें वाटर रिजर्वायर्स के ट्रेसेस मिले हैं, जिससे कि वी कैन गेट नॉलेज कि दे न्यू हाउ टू स्टोर वाटर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. Processing of food required grinding equipment as well as the vessels for mixing, blending and cooking. These equipments were made of stone, metal and terracotta. As today we mix some grains, like we made a flour of some grains, so at that time also people would have done this. So mixing, blending and cooking के जो भी equipments हैं वो भी मिले हुए हैं, और these equipments were made of sometimes of stone, metal and sometimes of terracotta. Our next topic is Mohenjo-daro, a planned urban center. As you know, Harappan, जो पूरा हरप्पन civilization है, there are so many sites in Harappa. So here we are going to study one site of the Harappan civilization, that is Mohenjo-daro. तो जो Mohenjo-daro city है, it was divided into two halves. First one is Citadel and another one is Lower Town. Citadel means it was built on mud brick platform, means it was the separate part from the Lower Town. It was walled, इसको fencing किया गया था, and it was probably used for special public purposes. अभी Lower Town क्या था? Lower Town was also walled. Several buildings were there made on the platform that served as foundation. Means जो city थी वो पूरा two parts में divide थी. One part we can say it was the upper side, जो कि citadel है, and another that was Lower Town, that was for the common people. One more thing which is found from Mohenjo-daro, it is the evidence of the Great Bath. The Great Bath means you can see in the picture, means ऐसा एक पूरा स्ट्रक्चर मिला हुआ है जहाँ पर एक साथ बहुत सारे लोग मे बी किसी हॉली पर्पस के लिए एक साथ बहुत सारे लोग बाथिंग करते होंगे, तो इसके लिए इसको ग्रेट बाथ बोला गया. इट इज़ ऑन द सिटाडेल. One such structure used for special public purposes. It was a large rectangular tank surrounded by corridors on the all four sides. ये किस शेप में था, रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में था. देयर वेर 2 फ्लाइट्स ऑफ स्टेयर्स ऑन ऑपोजिट साइड्स. स्टेयर्स भी बनी हुई थी यहाँ पर ऊपर जाने के लिए और नीचे आने के लिए. लीकेज ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द टैंक्स वॉज प्रोबेबली प्रिवेंटेड बाय मेकिंग अ मोर्टार ऑफ जिप्सम. मीन्स लीकेज नहीं हो पाए इसके लिए जिप्सम के मोर्टार का यूज़ किया गया था, सो दैट जो पानी है वो स्टेबल रहे. देयर वेर रूम्स ऑन 3 साइड्स एंड वाटर फ्रॉम द टैंक फ्लोड इनटू अ ह्यूज ड्रेन. You can see the size of Great Bath. It is 11.8 into 7.01 into 2.43 meter, means length, width and height. So ये एक बड़ा सा ग्रेट बाथ है जिसके एविडेंस हमें कहाँ से मिले हैं, मोहनजोदारो से. Now we will talk about the drainage system of Harappan civilization. It is the most distinctive feature of the Harappan civilization. Drainage system. Such type of drainage system still we have not discovered. जो कि हमें कहाँ मिलता है अभी से, we can say that 5000 year ago भी हमें वो evidence उसका मिला. Drainage system कैसा था? Every house was connected to the street drain. House drains emptied themselves into the main drain. Means every house was connected. सभी houses को एक street drain से connect किया गया था and जो house drains थे they emptied themselves into the main drain. वो main drain में जा कर के सारा अपना पानी ख़त्म करते थे. House drains first emptied into sumps into which solid matter settled and waste water flowed into the street drains. उन्होंने sump भी बना रखे थे जहाँ पर पानी जाता था एंड जो सॉलिड मैटर था वो वहीं पर सेटल डाउन हो जाता था एंड जो पानी था वो आगे की ओर फ्लो करता था. द ड्रेनेज सिस्टम एंड ड्रेन्स वेयर कवर्ड विद ब्रिक्स और स्टोन्स. दे वेयर प्रोवाइडेड विद इंस्पेक्शन होल्स एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स फॉर क्लीनिंग. जैसा आज भी हम देखें नहीं, मेन डोर हमारे जो घर का वॉशरूम होता है दैट इज़ कनेक्टेड विद द मेन ड्रेनेज ऑफ द स्ट्रीट, ऐसा ही हरप्पन में भी था. बट दिस सिस्टम वॉज मोर बेटर दैन इवन टुडे बिकॉज वो उन्होंने रेगुलर इंटरवल्स पर क्लीनिंग के लिए भी वहाँ पर बना रखा था. You can remind of the drainage system of Mesopotamia and you can think which system was better. Of course, it was of Harappans. The next topic in Mohenjo-daro is about the domestic architecture, means how the houses were in the Harappan or in the Mohenjo-daro particularly. तो हाउसेस कैसे बने थे उनके? मैनी हाउसेस वेयर सेंटर्ड ऑन अ कोर्ट यार्ड. तो जो हाउसेस हैं उनके जो फीचर्स हैं, जो कि हाउसेस सिचुएटेड कहाँ थे, जो हाउसेस थे दे वर सिचुएटेड एट द लोअर टाउन. जैसा कि अभी हमने पढ़ा, मीन्स जो पूरा सिटी है इट वाज डिवाइडेड इन द 2 पार्ट्स, सिटीडल एंड लोअर टाउन. तो जो लोअर टाउन का पार्ट है उस पर जो कॉमन लोगों के लिए जो घर बने हुए थे वो कैसे थे. तो जो उनका फीचर है, पहला फीचर है कि मैनी हाउसेज वेर एंटर्ड ऑन अ कोर्ट यार्ड, सेंटर्ड ऑन अ कोर्ट यार्ड. सभी जो घर थे उनके बीच में क्या होता था, उनका सेंटर पार्ट में होता था एक कोर्ट यार्ड. एवरी हाउस हैड इट्स ओन बाथरूम. स्टेयर्स यूज टू गो टू द सेकेंड फ्लोर, मीन्स हाउसेस का सेकेंड फ्लोर भी बना हुआ था. द मेन इंटरेस्ट डिड नॉट गिव डायरेक्ट व्यू ऑफ द कोर्ट यार्ड. उनका जो मेन एंट्रेंस था वो डायरेक्टली कोर्ट यार्ड का व्यू नहीं देता था, मीन्स ऐसे उन्होंने अपने घरों को डिज़ाइन किया था. मैनी हाउसेस हैड वेल्स. देयर वेयर अबाउट 700 वेल्स इन द सिटी ऑफ मोहनजोदारो. मीन्स वाटर फैसिलिटी के लिए बहुत सारे जो घर थे मोहनजोदारो में, वो उनके खुद के वेल थे अपने पास वाटर नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए. एंड वी हैव फाउंड the sources or the evidence of 700 wells in the city of Mohenjo-daro. No windows have been found on the ground floor. One another feature of the city of houses of the city of Mohenjo-daro is कि उनके घरों पे कोई भी विंडोज़, जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर कोई भी विंडोज़ नहीं है. सो You can revise features of houses. Means houses were centered on a courtyard. Every house had its own bathroom. Stairs were used to go to the second floor. The main entrance did not give direct view of the courtyard. Many houses had wells थे बहुत सारे houses में, and no windows have been found on the ground floor. Okay, then we will finish this topic here. Thanks for watching, and the rest of the part we will continue in the next video. Thank you and have a good day. Stay safe and stay at home.